while Sahara has offered a fresh proposal of clearing the sum of rupees 10,000 crores as arguments continued in the court. The next hearing is on April 21. Here's a roundup of the proceedings. Arguments on the SEBI and Sahara matter continued, and as Ganesh, senior advocate arguing on behalf of Sahara, explained the cash redemption made by Sahara. He submitted that the cash redemption is totally legal and permissible under the Companies Act. The same is also permitted by SEBI in its order dated 23 June 2011. He said the entire amount paid by Sahara in cash is totally justified. He said there is no legal bar for redemption to be made in cash. Ganesh explained the entire procedure adopted by Sahara in making the redemption to the investors. He also submitted before the Honorable Court that the Sahara has been diligent in informing the cash redemption, and the same is also reflected in the books of accounts of Sahara, which has been duly certified by the statutory auditors. Relying on the books of accounts, as Ganesh submitted that the same gives a presumption in the favor of Sahara that they have refunded the amount to the investors. Meanwhile, the Honorable Court has asked Sahara to give an advance copy of the proposal to SEBI as well as to the court, and the further suggesting Sahara to improve upon its proposal stated that the same shall be considered by the court on the next date of hearing, which has been fixed on 21st April 2014 at 2 p.m. This report is brought to you by NNIS.